Samsung is making some small changes. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will come with a slightly improved internals compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 3, but sad to say will look exactly the same as the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Meanwhile, Samsung will start working on 3nm chipset for the next generation of smartphones. As of now, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to launch in August along with Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. As we're getting closer to the launch, we're starting getting some close internal changes that we may see in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4, which in those some of them are amazing and some of them are just fine. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, do you want to see a low price tag on Galaxy Z Flip 4? According to the Galaxy Club, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to get a slightly better capacity battery, where Samsung is going to use two batteries. One is around 2400 mAh and other is 903 mAh. So we get a 34 mAh battery in upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4, which is better since last time we saw 3300 mAh in Galaxy Z Flip 3, but now the capacity is slightly better, and with the better optimization it can last a day or so with its 6.7 inches narrow display. Meanwhile, Samsung is dropping the price for their upcoming Galaxy foldable devices just by using different suppliers to cut down the cost. ATL is the company Samsung is going to source the batteries from, and this is the same company that provided battery for the Galaxy Note 7 back in the days. But Samsung used this company with its budget series smartphones as well with A and M series, but foldable phones will get this for the first time. And while sourcing from the other company, Samsung is planning to drop a price for almost $100 on Galaxy Z Flip 4. Last year, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 standing at $999, but according to the leaks and rumors, we may see a price tag of $899 for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and possibly different models that you can grab for yourself, possibly a bespoke custom edition. Meanwhile, Samsung is supplying more display than the last year, where Ross Young indicating that Samsung is going to put the game up and produce 60% more displays than the last year, where last year it was 5.1 million units and now Samsung is going for 8.7 million, and Samsung is also planning to double the production in July this year. Samsung is predicting the record sales for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Fold 4. For now, there are few rumors talk about the cameras and it is not satisfying since these rumors claims we may get the same lenses on the back. 12 megapixel main lens and 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel selfie camera. But who knows, Samsung will give us a big surprise and we get 50 megapixel lens from S22. Along with this, we are getting good internals in it. Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and possibly water resistance just like the last year Galaxy Flip 3. For now, it is not clear that we may get a ultra thin glass UTG in the Flip 4 since Fold 4 is having it and there is no rumor regarding the under display camera as well. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, do you want to see a low price tag on Galaxy Z Flip 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.